digital marketing automation seems to be kind of the new buzz word out there. And you know how our industry loves buzzwords and terms. Oh my
Sure.
gosh, we love our 4 letter or 3 letter acronyms and our 4 letter words.
Yeah.
And anytime we can create a buzzword out of something, we will most definitely do so. So, look, there's a lot of truth. There's a lot of snake oil behind digital marketing automation. I'd love to kind of get your take on it, though.
So automation definitely will improve your performance. There's no doubt about it. Automating ads, using the automation to make strategic bid changes, copy changes, changing prices as you change them. Some of the stuff we do at traffic is important to lower CPC. So in other words, lower your cost per click, cost per user. And that will increase your performance, whatever it is. You're going to pay less per click. It'll increase 15, 20, 30, 40%. You always have to combine automation with humanation, is what I
Exactly.
call it.
Strategy, right? Yeah.
Yes, because so the computer does its job, and that's good. That's going to get you your low cost per clicks. But robots, they pull in sentences that might be weird. They're not customer facing, right? They're looking at AI or whatever it is. And so then the human part of it is, and it's actually been proven that then automation boosts maybe whatever it is, the percentages that I mentioned, and then the humanation aspect pushes it up even another 15%. Because now you're putting that touch, the branding touch of the dealership, what they want to get their message out. Are they the best rated dealership in their city? Say it. Why wouldn't you say that? A computer can't think that. It's the human that has to think that and put that in order for then the two of them to work together. You got your automation going, creating your ads. I know you did. I know you talked about the VDP advertising. I think it's very important to advertise all your pieces of inventory. But at the same time, that ad can't just say the price. It's got to say, hey, visit us. We're the #1 rated Kia dealership in Burlington, etc., whatever it is. That angle, that marketing angle has to be there in order to complete the increase in performance that you're looking for.